Yes, good evening, David.
I'm a bit sick, but hello?
Yes, Dave?
I thought you cut me off. I'm a bit sick, so I can't talk too loud. I like your program a lot, guys.
Yeah.
I think the economy is not that good. Like house prices are going to crash here, and
It's a bit hard. It's been indistinct, Dave, with your heavy breathing.
Thanks for the call, Darren at Wangaratta.
Simon and Phil.
Hello again, Darren.
Bruce, I heard you're a cross-dresser.
That's all I need tonight. Oh, did you?
And I got a toe fetish.
Oh, have you?